Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can tune your vehicle on the MX vs ATV Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the game on your device and you will directly be taken into the free roam mode. From here, just press the pause button and this will take you into the main menu. Now just scroll down and go into Garage. From here you can view all of your vehicles that you own. And in order to tune any vehicle, just select it and press the appropriate button that shows where it says tuning. You will now be able to choose the various different parts that you can tune of the vehicle. Just choose the part that you wish to tune and now you can check the various different tunings that you can do. You can also see the price that the tuning will cost and your total currency at the top section. Just click on whichever tuning you wish to purchase and then you will be asked whether you are sure that you wish to purchase this tuning or upgrade. Just confirm with the appropriate button and now the tuning has been applied to your engine right away. You can now see within the details section that the stat has increased a little bit. You can perform the tuning with various other parts as well. And once you are done with your tuning, you can go back and choose this vehicle and then resume your ride to try out your newly purchased upgrades right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to upgrade and tune your vehicle on the MX vs ATV Legends game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.